When my Westinghouse WH2200 lost power, the first thing I do, and from experience with other generators, is check the gasoline in the tank. First thing I did was open the gas tank, take out the filter, that's important, and pour gas, all of the gas from the gas tank, through a paper towel into my gas can. I did get some dirt like I did here, and after I emptied it out and filtered it and put it back in, the generator ran a little bit better, but not completely well. Now that we've checked the gasoline and we know it's not the gas itself, the next thing we do is check the gas filter, which we're going to have to open up the machine to get to. The only things we'll need today are a Phillips head screwdriver for the screws and a flat screwdriver to pry open the spark arrestor. To get to the fuel tank and fuel filter, you need to take off one screw here, 1, 2, 3, 4 long screws, 4 short screws, 6 on this, exhaust screws are long, and 4 short screws on this. It's actually very easy to get at the tank.
You do not have to take the screw top off. I thought you did, but actually there's no reason to. You can leave it on.
Remove the filter, and of course this is actually loose. I suppose I didn't need to do that. And this just pops out.
If you loosen the 4 bottom screws on the other side of the generator, the tank will be easier to get out.
I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers to loosen this spring clamp. Move it back, and then this will come right off.
Don't drop the tank as you pull the hose off, as I did here.
Filter is right here, and it just comes out, and you can actually clean it with your fingernails if you want. This one actually is clean.
So the fuel line was not our problem. We're going to have to look for our problem at the other end of the generator.
Tank goes in the way it came out. The side goes back on the way it came off.
I'm going to get a little ahead of myself here. I tried starting the generator without putting the sides back on, and I was not able to do so. That is one of the reasons why I'm putting it back together here.
I would suggest that you start with this screw here. You have to press these sides together, and once they're right up against each other, then this screw will screw in. Then probably the best idea, and this is one of the longer screws, is to go to the other side and do the other side the same way. Now on this side it's really quite simple. It just takes the short screws and they go back in, and there's nothing really more we need to do on this side except put the screws back in, and they are the short screws. The problem was not the inflow of gas, so we're going to go to the butt end of the thing. There is a little ring around this that we can loosen with a screwdriver. Loosen this ring. Take the ring off. There's a little metal cap that's held on. You might have to loosen these wings with a screwdriver. And inside is a ball of wire. And this ball of wire, which is in my generator, completely blocked with carbon. You can probably bang the wire enough to get the carbon out. Or we could probably put it in my wood stove and burn it out if I wanted to, or use a blowtorch. Now, if this is the problem, this generator should start as you can see. I did get it going. To be honest, it took quite a few pulls to get it going the first time after it had stopped. Once I got gas in the line, it was fine. The only thing I need to do is put the plate back on and the spark arrestor.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support videos like these, please subscribe on YouTube. And if you love Michael Connelly's Harry Bosch, please check out Winslow, The Lost Hunters at winslowdoyle.com.